U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP. U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, agents authority power over you. U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, officers have significant powers when it comes to determining an individual's admissibility to the United States. Some of their key powers include inspecting individuals and goods. CBP officers have the authority to inspect individuals and goods entering or leaving the United States to ensure compliance with laws and regulations. Denying entry. CBP officers have the authority to deny entry to individuals who are found to be inadmissible to the United States based on factors such as lack of proper documentation, previous immigration violations, or a criminal record. Searching electronic devices. CBP officers have the authority to search electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets belonging to individuals entering or leaving the United States. Arresting individuals. CBP officers have the authority to arrest individuals who are found to be in violation of immigration laws or other federal laws. Seizing goods. CBP officers have the authority to seize goods that are found to be in violation of laws and regulations, such as those that are counterfeit or prohibited from being imported into the United States. U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP officers may ask a variety of questions at a passport checking point to determine an individual's admissibility to the United States. Some common questions that may be asked include: 1. Purpose of travel. The officer may ask about the reason for your visit, such as for business, tourism, or to visit family. 2. Length of stay. The officer may ask about how long you plan to stay in the United States and if you have a return ticket. 3. Place of residence. The officer may ask about where you will be staying during your visit. 4. Financial information. The officer may ask about your financial situation, such as if you have enough money to support yourself during your stay. 5. Previous travel. The officer may ask about your previous travel history, including any past trips to the United States. 6. Employment information. The officer may ask about your current employment status and occupation. 7. Contact information. The officer may ask for contact information for the person you will be staying with or visiting. It's important to note that these questions are intended to determine your admissibility to the United States. You should answer them truthfully and provide any required documentation. Can they deport you? Yes, an individual can be deported from the United States if they are found to be inadmissible or have violated the terms of their immigration status. There are many reasons why an individual may be subject to deportation, including but not limited to: 1. Being in the United States without proper documentation or authorization. 2. Overstaying a visa. 3. Committing a crime. 4. Having a previous deportation order. 5. Having a previous immigration violation. 6. Having a false or fraudulent document. 7. Being a national security threat. If an individual is placed in removal proceedings, they will have the opportunity to defend themselves and provide evidence to an immigration judge. If the judge finds that the individual is removable, they may be ordered to be deported. It's important to note that deportation proceedings are complex, and it's highly recommended to seek legal advice if facing such situations. It's important to note that the power of U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP officers is not absolute, and CBP officers must follow established procedures and guidelines when exercising them. Additionally, individuals have rights and can request legal representation if they feel their rights were violated.